to learn and grow. J. J is for Jaguar. Let's make a baby jaguar, or we can say a cute little jaguar cub. Let's start with cute little eyes, nose and mouth, then the head with ears. Now we will make the body with cute little paws. Next we will add spots on the body. Our jaguar needs a place to sit, so let's make a tree log for it. Let's make some big leaves also. Aw, so cute! Now, let's color it. Orange will be our first color. Brown for dark spots. Brown again in the tree log. Light and dark green for the leaves. A little pink in the ears and paws. Now let's blend it. You can do little adjustments if required. Look at our cute baby jaguar with those big eyes, pink paws. It's the sweetest cub in the jungle. Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.